building now faces an architectural challenge for the air conditioning sector. Modern air conditioning systems need to preserve the external facade of buildings and make efficient use of existing spaces. With the aim of contributing to the aesthetics of an estate, GIATSU has the innovative invisible centrifuge VRF. This is Emma, an entrepreneur who has always dreamed of opening her own clothes shop. She has recently acquired a store. She's very excited and wants her business to have the best possible image in order to capture the public's attention and in this way attract many customers to her shop. But she comes up with a question about the installation of air conditioning on the outside of the facade. The City Council and the residents' community are opposed to Emma placing an outdoor unit on the facade of the building. Emma is thinking solutions for this situation. She thinks about the option of putting the outdoor unit on the roof of the building, but the distance of the pipe is too long. Then she calls an official GIATSU store, where they provide her the solution. The GIATSU team gets to work and offers her the best option, an invisible centrifuge which complies the maximum flow rate of 3,500 cubic meters per hour allowed by the City Council. Emma's store has 60 square meters, so GIATSU recommends installation of a 1x1 unit. A 10 kW cassette in the center of the shop for a better air distribution, and a centrifuge outdoor unit will be installed in the hidden ceiling of the interior. This is Alex, an architect who is designing an office block with his team. It is clear to them that the building will be air-conditioned with ducts. When thinking about the installation, they come up with different options for the outdoor machines. One could be putting the equipment on the roof, but it would disturb them there as they are planning to build a swimming pool and paddle courts for the employees. Another solution would be to place exteriors on the facade, but Alex thinks this is not the best aesthetics for a modern building in a business center. Alex knows GIATSU, a leading company in the air conditioning sector, and they decide to call them for advice. GIATSU offers them the invisible centrifuge. They even mention the possibility of installing up to 9 indoor machines with a single outdoor unit. With this system, the centrifuge can work beyond its possibilities, because it adapts its operation to the needs of each room. In this way, we achieve a clean facade with a much more modern and elegant design. Here is Anna, an interior designer who is doing an interior reform of a chalet. Anna offers her client to place 2 split units in the dining room and kitchen, one in the hallway, in the 5 bedrooms, and one last split unit in the playroom. She thinks of placing the outdoor unit on the roof, but this distorts the aesthetics vision of the chalet. Anna decides to call the experts of GIATSU to find a solution. A GIATSU team visits the house and explains to Anna that there is the option of combining the 9 splits with an outdoor unit that will be completely invisible on the facade. GIATSU also recommends the option of including a pool pump to heat the water so they can enjoy it for more months. Anna is very happy with the solution provided by GIATSU because this way she can offer a comfortable and elegant interior design without the exterior being distorted by the location of an outdoor air conditioning unit. Emma, Alex and Anna have already delivered their projects and are very satisfied with the results. Emma is delighted with her shop and the good impact it has received on the neighborhood. Alex is very satisfied with the project and is looking forward to starting the construction of the office building as soon as possible. And Anna proudly shows her clients the design of the house. Thanks to their choice of GIATSU's invisible centrifuge, they have achieved a clean facade and a modern design, flexibility in the installation, and a centralized control. GIATSU Invisible Centrifuge, a flexible solution with multiple installation possibilities. Air that can be felt without being seen. GIATSU.